In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a multicolored object in Blender. Okay, so starting in a new scene in Blender, we're going to select the default cube, delete it, Shift A, and then we're going to add a monkey. Then select the monkey, go to the materials panel, and then click new, and then double click that, and we're going to rename that green. Alright, we'll make it green, and then make it a little darker using the slider. Alright, so click Z, and then select the one on the bottom, that's Material Preview, and now you can see that the monkey is green. But what if you want to make it other colors, like red or orange or black? How would you add that to the same mesh? So how you do that is you click Tab, then hit 3, and now you can select faces. And if you push Shift as you select them, you can select multiple faces. And then if you go back to the Materials panel, you can click the plus button, and that will add a new material, and then click the new Materials button. And now we can change the color. And we'll go ahead and change that to red. And then don't forget to click Assign, and that will assign the color to your mesh. Alright, so now we have a red and green monkey. Let's add another material. So click Tab and Shift and select several faces. And then click the plus button, click New, and then rename that. And then click Assign. Alright, now we have 3 different colors. Then we can go ahead and change this color. And let's make it orange. Alright, now we have 3 colors on the same mesh.